So Saturday here we are seeing three areas of potentially severe thunderstorms and that slight threat. We see the high plains has a pretty big area going from basically Nebraska through North Dakota. We do see that Illinois portion, and we also see that western Texas portion that could be severe. We are expecting most of these to be pop-up supercells, not looking super severe as of right now, so not a huge tornado threat like yesterday, but most likely big hail and damaging winds. So that is what you can expect for today here on Saturday. So Saturday temperatures, it is going to be very nice across the nation. We see the 70s and upper 70s across parts of the Ohio Valley and Midwest. We will see 80s across portions of the Midwest also, and then we get to the upper 80s in the parts of the plains and parts of the South. So that's what you can expect today. Maine is still cold, and that's part of the Northeast, so we still see parts of that, but we are seeing that warmth start to work its way further east, and so we're going to see a very nice warm up here for the entire nation. So here on Saturday morning, we are seeing just some scuddy showers working their way through. That low is centered over Iowa right now, so that is what's generating some thunderstorms for Illinois. And so that's our threat for Illinois, is what is happening in that squall line that is moving through there today. And then we will see some rain associated with that system from last night working its way to the east through Arkansas and Louisiana. So then in the afternoon hours, we are expecting those storms keep working their way through Illinois. Some pop-up showers will occur up in the plains and in the parts of the Appalachian Valley, but looking to Texas is where we see the first signs of supercells forming in the mid-afternoon hours, allowing for those to build into the evening. So then in the overnight hours, we will see these cells develop, and we're going to see two different system development happen. We're going to see the high plain development occur, and then the Texas development occur, and this is going to be just after dinner time, and we will see a supercell that might affect Oklahoma and Kansas. It'll be on its own. So these areas are the ones to be watching out for, as they are going to be the more severe ones today, and then we're going to see these be more severe tomorrow also. So looking at Sunday, what we can expect is that slight threat to go from Texas clear up into Iowa. And we're going to see these storms develop and continue throughout the day, very similar since we have this very hot environment. We are expecting these storms to be fueled and with daytime convection develop into the evening and be severe. It is May, and it is finally time to see this stuff occurring. So the temperatures on Sunday, what we are seeing is a warm up and a cool down in some places. So across parts of the plains, we are seeing that cool air hit that warmer air as kind of a dry line form on a diagonal, and that's going to allow certain cells to pop up and develop. And so we are going to see those warmer temperatures be pushed to the east. So we're going to see the 80s across the Midwest and Ohio valleys and across into the eastern coast. Now that cooler temperature is going to be just for this system, as we will see warmer temperatures be pumped back through into early next week. The morning hours, we are expecting to see the remnants of the severe weather from the day before, and that's pretty much it for the morning, because we're just seeing some rain showers, maybe some smaller thunderstorms forming, but not anything huge. So then looking in the afternoon is where we see some thunderstorm development across southern Texas, and then just some pop-up showers across the rest of the nation. There is going to be one cell that looks like it might be forming in the eastern Rockies that will potentially go severe into that slight area into the night hours. So then finally overnight, we are seeing all of these storms develop. A squall line with severe supercells will form, and then supercells out in front and behind it will form all the way from central Texas clear up into that Iowa area. So expect severe weather Sunday night, as this will be moving through, just because of damaging winds, and also there is that potential for a tornado threat. Would not be surprised if we see an enhanced threat updated for portions of Texas and Oklahoma as we see these storms developing. But of course, here on Saturday morning, we cannot tell what's going to be Sunday night this far out with 100% accuracy. So that does it for this weekend forecast. Remember to be safe this weekend, and remember to be weather ready if you live in a severe area.